Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best copper grill mat that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the SMAID copper grill mat set of 4. This grill mat is among the very best grill mats that will give you a wonderful experience in grilling your cheese, eggs, pizzas, marinades among others. It has been constructed with the perfect thickness with the construction material capable of withstanding temperatures of up to 500°F. It consists of a surface that is 100% non-stick that will greatly improve the taste and health benefit of your foods. It has been made using high-quality materials that are PFOA-free, thus presenting with no health risks. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the grill mat, set of 5 non-stick barbecue grill mats. This grill mat is among the best products that will make grilling your food a wonderful experience. The mat does not bring forth any safety concerns since it has been made free from toxic material that has granted it FDA approval. The mat is resistant to high temperatures since it is capable of withstanding temperatures of up to 500 degrees. This product will also grant you long-term durability due to its reusable nature and sturdy construction. At number 3, we have the MiTBA copper grill mats. Take your grilling experience a notch higher by purchasing this high-quality copper grill mat. They have been constructed using a superior design that brings forth the benefits of preventing meat from falling through the graters, preventing flare-ups that may be caused by grease, as well as ensuring even distribution of heat that makes your grilling an experience of a lifetime. This copper grill mat will leave attractive grill marks on your food, giving you continuous enjoyment as you take your cheese or meat. At number 2, we have the Homase Essential Copper Grill Mat Set. Grill your favorite foods efficiently by purchasing this high-quality copper grill mat by Homase Essential. The mat is perfect for a variety of roles including grilling and baking, making it an excellent cooking accessory. It has been constructed devoid of non-toxic materials and it has been FDA approved. The grill mat additionally is compatible with any grill including porcelain, Weber, charcoal, char-broil among many others. Cleaning the grill mat is a breeze as you only need to wipe the mat and assign the rest of the duty to your dishwasher. The non-stick PTFE will constantly ensure that you continually grill food of high quality. And finally, at number 1, we have the GrillShield Best Large Copper Grill and Bake Mats set of 2 to 17 by 23 inches. GrillShield provides you with this quality copper grill mat that will make grilling your favorite foods a wonderful experience. The mats are extra large compared to other mats, thus will provide you with a very big working space, hence making preparation of a large meal easier and faster. The large size of the mat also allows you to cut it into any size to meet your various needs. These mats are also capable of withstanding temperatures of up to 500 degrees. The PTFE coat of the non-stick layer makes this mat among the most durable grill mats available in the market. It is also highly versatile as it can be used in a variety of energy sources including gas, charcoal, electric grills among many others. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.